It's time now to get a check of our afternoon forecast from Brian.
And we're holding on to cloud cover that, well, some of what we saw yesterday as well. That's going to keep temperatures on the cool side. Definitely been gray, hard to knock these clouds out of here, but it will over the next 24 hours get much better. You can see here overcast and 43, our northwesterly wind at 6 miles an hour, and just moisture coming in off the Atlantic. The departing storm system is what's keeping these clouds around. You go just a little bit farther west, say towards Buffalo, maybe even Erie, Pennsylvania, you start to see more in the way of sunshine. So mostly cloudy. It will remain cool. Temperature-wise, high should be right around 48, maybe 45 degrees. But better weather awaits us. We'll tell you more about that coming up in just a bit. Back to you, Katrina.
Thanks, Brian.
We expect sunny skies and warmer temperature on Wednesday, and from there, the sun continues and temperatures keep getting warmer. Could we hit 60 by Friday? I'll let you know coming up next in your forecast.
Now, meteorologist Brian Neudorff with Rochester's most accurate forecast.
It has been a cloudy couple of days, all courtesy of a storm system that has been several hundred miles away from us, but the sun will come out tomorrow. Promise. We will see more on that as we see improving weather conditions over the next 24 hours. Take a look at what we're dealing with here first. You can see that real nice spin there out over the Atlantic. And even though it's still well out towards the Atlantic, it's still keeping these clouds. So another day of clouds are expected around here. And what's happening is it's helping to bring in a little bit of this kind of Atlantic moisture that's helping to keep it just trapped on top of us. Now, on the other side of things, great weather just off to our south throughout most of the Midwest and the Southeast. Now, this is going to mean sunny skies going into Wednesday and Friday as this high pressure drifts on off towards the east. Temperatures, too, will be changing. Cloud cover overhead, northwesterly wind means cooler temperatures, but look at where that high pressure is, 63 Charleston, 66 in Nashville. So as we take a look at your future cast through 4 o'clock here and taking you into the evening, clouds are going to hold on, hang tough through the evening. Now, once we get past midnight, start to see a clearing trend as we take you here into 7:30 tomorrow morning, and then the clouds just continue to fade away. High pressure, drier air by midday, and that continues to give us mostly sunny skies as we head into your evening. There we are at 8 o'clock. But overall, the picture looks like this. Going into Wednesday and Friday, area of high pressure builds off the coast. Going to clear things out, give us mostly sunny skies, but also clockwise spin means a southwesterly wind, warmer temperatures. And by Friday, we could see those temperatures get close to 60 or even into the 60s by Friday. Here's your forecast, though, for today. Stubborn clouds, they'll hold on. Maybe some sunshine, but I'm really not going to hold out too much hope. They're going to be mostly cloudy, 48 degrees. Overnight, though, slow clearing, especially after midnight. The temperature could get down to about 35 degrees. Over the next 3 days, though, much improved. Wednesday, 51. That's about typical this time of year. That's more your average temperature. 58 degrees, so a little warmer going into Thursday. By Friday, look at that, 63. So definitely, we've been telling you, if you got to get things done, maybe the best week of November in a long time. By Saturday and Sunday, though, things do change a little bit. Saturday's not a bad day, 60 degrees, a little more clouds in the afternoon, but then a chance of showers on Sunday, 55 degrees. So just sit in, watch some football on either Fox or News 8 here and enjoy your Sunday.
All in all, though, we can't complain about that forecast. A lot of pretty warm temperatures for this time of year.
Very warm, and definitely, of course, it could always be snowing. So we're past that first average snowfall here. So let's, be happy with what we have.
All right, thanks, Brian. We are finally seeing some sunlight out there. Let's check in now with Brian. He's got the afternoon forecast.
And it looks awfully nice, doesn't it, Katrina? We do have the sunshine, but there was fog. There were some low clouds holding on. Take a look at this daylight satellite here. Nice high-resolution satellite. Watch this there. You can see the clouds in that southwestern part of New York State, even fog, and it just dissipates as we finally get more in the way of high pressure mixing in here. But look at that sky. It looks great, especially after the first 2 days of the gray overcast. But right now, 46 degrees, northeasterly wind about 15 miles an hour. So it probably feels somewhere maybe in the upper 30s. But welcome back to the sunshine. We should hit 50, which is very seasonable for this time of year. But guess what? It gets better from here. I'll tell you more coming up in your full forecast. Katrina?
All right. Thank you very much, Brian.
Thanks to all that high pressure, we're going to get some sunshine, and it means warmer temperatures. You like 60s? I've got them in your forecast. I'll tell you all about it next.
You're watching.
You can tell the sun is out. Spirits are better over the last few days. So simple. Hello, sun. And if I could, I'd give it a hug, but it's way too hot to do that. But it's good to see it. Lifts the spirits. And that is what we're going to see now and for the rest of it. But finally, we've got the sunshine. It made a return, and we expect clear and sunny skies the rest of the week. And you'll notice this in temperatures too. We have very cool overnight lows. We also get very warm daytime temperatures. And by Friday and even Saturday, I think we're going to reach 60 degrees. Here's the weather map for you, and we've got a couple of areas high pressure just to our north and down and around, say, the Tennessee Valley. Between these two, it's definitely providing sunshine, and that sunshine will spread in here. The fog is lifted and mixed out of here. The clouds have also mixed out of here, so things are looking good. But as far as temperature, we're still at 46. That was the high on Monday, but with the sunshine, we should be able to maybe push that temperature up to 50. But on the backside, there's the warmth. 62 degrees in Chicago, St. Louis at 69. Not going to get there, but definitely enjoy some of the low 60s going into Friday and into your Saturday. But as far as the numbers go, here we are through 4 o'clock. Temperature is about 48 degrees. Keep in mind, this is very close to sunset. As we go into the evening hours, though, you lose that daytime heating. Temperatures get cold. By 9 o'clock, we're already for many in the 30s. By tomorrow morning, clear skies, light winds. Temperatures will be down 34, possibly even colder than that, down to about 32. But then from there, we just add 20 degrees, and we should probably definitely get in the mid-50s, if not even warmer, probably looking at temperatures possibly getting into the upper 50s. And then once again, by evening, 10 o'clock in the evening, those temperatures drop once you lose the daytime and the sunshine. But mostly sunny to sunny skies for the rest of your afternoon. We should top out to near 50 degrees. And keep in mind, that's about where that's a typical average high for this time of year. As skies will be clear and starlit down to about 32, at least down to the freezing mark. A few places maybe a little bit cooler. But the sunshine, lots of it through Friday, 62 degrees. By the time we reach the weekend now, Saturday's not a bad day. I think we'll have a few more clouds maybe in the afternoon, breezy up to 63, but definitely get out. And even Sunday, all in all, not that bad. A cold front sweeps through here. That could spark a few showers. Then Monday, Tuesday, cooler air, a little bit more cloudy, a little bit more like November.
Yeah, like what we should be seeing as opposed to the 60s.
Yeah, and we got good taste of that the Monday and Tuesday as those clouds just hung on and kept temperatures in the 40s. But enjoy the sunshine while you can.
All right, thanks, Brian.
Now, your News 8 forecast first.
5:59 on this Thursday morning. Skies across New York and really the mid-Atlantic, the Northeast, all the way to the south. They are clear. Now, clear skies, calm winds, equal chilly temperatures, very frosty, 29 degrees as we get ready to start your Thursday. Here are the numbers, though. Forecast first, 37 light winds, lots of sunshine going into midday, 50, and even clear skies as you get ready to head home at 5 o'clock. We'll be at 51. Can't script it any better for November. Sunshine going into tomorrow and even warmer. We'll tell you more at 6:06. But first, News 8 at Sunrise starts right now.
Now,
It is time to check in now with Brian. He's got a look at our morning forecast.
And thanks a lot, Katrina. We are just about 52 minutes away from sunrise at 6:58, and it is clear out there. We'll definitely see that. And with the clear skies, winds, they're calm. Temperatures are chilly at 29. A few more numbers for you across, up and down the Northeast, up and towards mid-Atlantic, even all the way down along the East Coast into the South, enjoying all very similar weather. But because of clear skies, light winds, we've got these chilly temperatures. And now you see out the west, though, Sault Ste. Marie there at 41. That means warmer air will eventually get here. But satellite and radar, a large area of high pressure means over the next few days, we're going to see lots in the way of sunshine, sunny skies today, and as we go into your Friday. So futurecast, skies remain clear. Even as we head here into your afternoon, here we are at 3 o'clock. Sunny skies, clear skies as we head into the overnight. As we zoom on in, again, nothing to spoil this weather here, even as we go into 5 a.m. on Friday, and we're going to enjoy lots of sunshine continuing into your Friday afternoon. Here we are at 4 o'clock. But for today, bright sunshine, mild afternoon as those temperatures are 5 degrees above average at 55. And then over the next 3 days, expect 61 degrees on Friday. By Saturday, 63. So a nice little warm up as we close out the work week and head into the weekend. Now, a cold front may spoil the weekend just a little bit, but it's not going to bring any rain. I think it's mainly dry. It just may bring temperatures down a few degrees, but we're still in the 50s looking ahead to Sunday.
Yeah, anything above 40s, we've really got to take advantage of at this point.
Yeah, you can't script a better November week or forecast than what we have right now. So definitely, as you said, take advantage of it.
All right, thanks, Brian. It is 6:08. Temperatures in the 30s right now.
now, Meteorologist Brian Neudorff with Rochester's most accurate forecast.
One thing that's nice about sunshine, especially when you've had days of cloudy skies, it really helps to lift those spirits, gives you a little bit of energy, obviously gives you a little bit of that vitamin D as well. But we've got areas of high pressure stretching from Canada all the way just to the south. Now, we will focus our attention on this just a little bit, more of a mention, because a cold front's going to work its way in here. Eventually, though, warmer air is going to spill in here, and it's probably going to help to kind of bring in some temperature, or bring in warmer air, especially today, but definitely Friday and going into Saturday. What do those numbers look like? Well, because of the high pressure, light winds, clear skies up and down. You can see 20 at Matagami, 29 here in Rochester, but where the winds and some clouds of that front, 49 in Chicago, 58 in St. Louis, and that's where some of the warmth is. We might tap into that as we go into Friday and definitely on Saturday. But what to expect? Sunshine rules the sky and mild temperatures today, about 5 degrees above that 50, around 55 degrees, and then even warmer going into Friday and into your Saturday. But as far as the numbers go here, through 2 o'clock, mid-50s. Then as we make our way into the evening, we lose the sunshine at 4:50, so by 8 o'clock, already there in the 30s. We could bottom out with clear skies down to about 34, maybe even colder. Just depends. Clear skies, you can lose a lot of energy very, very quickly. And then as we head into your Friday, here we are at 2 o'clock, definitely upper 50s, if not on our way to 60 degrees. But mid-50s from Rochester, Avon at 56, as well as Honeoye. And as we work our way farther to the south, temperatures will be maybe about 57 degrees. As you look at the rest of your 7-day forecast, we've got 61 degrees on Friday, 63 on Saturday. Both days are pretty nice and fair. Now, clouds will increase on Sunday as a weak cold front pushes through, but it will bring cooler air. And then eventually by Tuesday and Wednesday, another storm system means a chance of some showers and temperatures back in the 40s, 49 on Tuesday, 47 on Wednesday. Katrina?
All right, thank you very much, Brian. Brian is back now with more on the weather. Things cold this morning, but all in all, we're looking at a couple nice days ahead.
We're going to improve. We're going to have cold with the clear skies. We're going to have cold mornings, but we'll pay off dividends in the afternoon. And with the kids being off today, let them get outside and enjoy the nice weather. Wouldn't want to do it right now. It's a little chilly out there. Frosty, in fact. We've got frost on the windshield, but 27 Minden, 27 Victor, but Greece at 32, Spencerport at 28. Here's some more numbers across New York State. As you go up to Watertown at 27, Dansville at 30, Buffalo, they're at 31. Not going to deal with the fog that we had yesterday. We have clear skies. There may be just a few spots where there's some valley fog, but that's very few and far between. So here's a look at your forecast for today. Get a chance, get outside, soak up that November sun. Temperature-wise should be about 55 degrees, and generally winds are light and variable. Then for tonight, another clear, frosty night expected. Temperatures could be down to about 30 degrees, especially when you have the clear skies and light winds. Over the next 7 days, as Katrina mentioned, we do have a couple nice days. 61 on Friday, 63 on Saturday, and will be partly sunny and then breezy on Sunday. Mainly dry. Temperatures get a little bit cooler as a weak cold front slides through here, but next chance for showers come into play on Tuesday and Wednesday with temperatures getting back down into the 40s. There's your forecast. Now let's check in with Tom George and a look at your stuff.
Yeah, it works well, my friends. We had a